So, drive surface machining. I eventually had a time to have a bit of a look at it. Oopsie, wrong one. If you look at that surface, most of this can be accessed in XYZ, but there's undercut areas that cannot, alright, which go in under there. So, and this is just some random crap that I drew up, by the way. So, you need to define a surface underneath it, which the surface normals would say where the cutter is coming from. Right, so over here the cutter would be coming in at that angle, over there the cutter would be coming in at that angle, etc, etc, etc. The path writes pretty quickly. I'll write it again anyway. Considering what it's doing, it's pretty fast. And that's what it looks like. And if you simulate, and you speed that up so it gets past the parts we want to see, turn the path off. Alright, so if you now turn that simulation down, you can see that we're accessing the undercut areas in the part. So it's like a XYZ flip, except that it's on turbo. So I could test this path on the machine, but I think with the speed issues I'm having at the moment, that might be a bit of a headache. Anyway, the actual idea behind it is works well, executes well, very nice. Speed that up, see if I can finish it quickly. I'll pause the video until it's almost there. Grab a bit of video of this part, looks pretty cool. Wouldn't mind seeing that actually run on the machine. It's a lot of motion. Alright, I'll pause it and let it finish again. And again, past that middle part. Oops. Whoops, back. Looks pretty cool. I love it. I'll pause that and wait for it to end. And that's coming up on the end of it. So if you look at that, pretty good. I'm going to go stick it on the mill and see what kind of motion I get. Anyway, cheers, Chris out.